We got
Durian mochi.
Durian mochi and durian mung bean pea cakes. Vegetarian.
Okay. I just want to understand why you're doing this to me.
Hey everybody! Welcome to the Hutch Food Adventures.
What are we doing?
So, I'm excited because I found another surprise.
How are you stretching like that?
We're doing first time trying.
You know how much I love first time trying.
I'm excited. This is gonna be good. Yes. Alright, put on the blindfold. Let me go and get this ready for you.
I'm all. Is this a smell or a touch test? Huh?
Oh, sorry, you can't see me grinning. I'm glad you asked. It's gonna be a smell test.
What the? Babe.
Remember when you made me smell that spoiled meat? In the episode, there's an episode we didn't even get to show because she had me literally smelling spoiled meat. We couldn't even eat it.
Yeah, look.
It smelled like spoiled meat.
When I bought it, I think it was spoiled when I bought it. I got it home and I thought it was the bag. And I was like, what?
She had some rotten ass meat all up in my nose. I'm over here gagging. And she talking about, it smells spoiled to you too? I'm like, yeah, it's spoiled as f***.
That was the store's fault. Maybe this won't be so bad if it has multiple
you ready for a smell
components.
test?
It smells like durian.
Yeah?
Yeah. It does. Is it?
We already did durian, babe.
I know, but is it a fruit?
Hold on a sec. What this?
That shit smells like durian too.
Okay.
It literally smells rotten.
Go ahead and open that one up. I have some snacks. And your nose is pretty good. We got
Durian mochi.
durian mochi and durian mung bean pea cakes. Vegetarian.
Okay. I just want to understand why you're doing this to me.
Well, the thing is, yes, we tried durian. Yes, we did not like durian. Yes, it smelled of trash.
As it does now.
Yes.
Are these frozen?
They're cold. But also, maybe, just maybe, we would like them in different forms. In a mochi ball, maybe, or a cake. So maybe, just maybe, it'll taste a lot better. What if you're like, oh wow, this is way better. That's good. That's the mung bean pea cake. It really does still smell like durian, huh?
It's like frozen.
Well, mung bean is very dense. Okay, yeah, it still smells like durian.
Yeah.
My mouth watered, but it was like throw up watered.
Puke. Yeah.
Alright, baby. We gotta give this a whirl. Cheers.
It's durian.
Yeah, it's like oniony.
Sorry, guy.
What are you doing there?
I don't know.
Get it down. You got it. It's just oniony. I actually kind of like it. Just oniony. Why is there a flavor of onion? Who really knows?
My body won't let me swallow it.
It's sweet. Oh my.
Oh,
Jesus.
that was intense.
I give that a C.
I like how squishy this
What
is.
grade did you give that?
Probably a D.
Okay.
Minus.
Okay. Okay, let's try this one.
It's like
are
a
you gonna
little
eat the
ball of
whole
dough.
thing, or are you gonna bite it in half?
I think I'm gonna bite it in half.
Okay.
Ready?
You got. It has to be half. No quarters.
No, half.
Okay.
Like this. Oh. Mm-hmm.
This is way more dialed down.
Mm-hmm.
This is like, we're gonna tiptoe our way into this world. It almost still tastes peachy to me.
Yeah, me too.
The other one tasted oniony.
And I think the softness of this
Mm-hmm.
reminds me of like peach texture too.
Mm-hmm.
I can.
That's doable, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's actually, I think that one, if you really are a durian fan, you might not like it because there's not enough durian in it.
Mm-mm. I could slightly taste durian, like the durian flavor.
Want another?
No. The Popeye's biscuit full of durian, I might have to give it 2 thumbs down. The little soft compartment of squishy artificial flavor, I can mess with that. Would I just sit there and snack on them? No. But was I down for the taste test? Yes. I don't know why you went in again thinking it was gonna taste less like
It's such a
durian.
confusing flavor. Like, it's like a roller coaster. Sometimes it's kind of good. Then it goes into this dark valley that you don't want it to go in.
But
Then it
then,
makes a right, like, okay.
yeah,
Like,
it's just too much.
It's a confusing flavor for me. I
I
think
did.
now we can
Barely.
safely say that we gave durian a full chance of its potential,
in various forms.
aside from ice cream.
Well, there you have it.
There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Like, subscribe, comment,
Hit the noti bell.
share with your friends.
Yeah.
Sorry if I insulted you at any point during this video.
Me too, I guess. Oh yeah, she likes durian.
Yeah. That's why I said I keep insulting their family. Like, first Ralph was, sorry Ralph about the last video. All right, you guys.
She's not sorry.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Another episode of the
Hutch
Food
Adventure.
You let me do the S?
I did.
Yeah.